Right, here's a cherry tree. Right, let's go and have a look at some of these cherries so far. See how we're getting on. They're looking quite big actually. Look, they're right here. I ain't got to bend down or nothing. Behind here. They're half done. Look, halfway there. Look, they're gonna be nice and big and red actually. Wow, looking good. Looking good here. Look, they've got them right down here. I've got them really low this year, look. Nose on here, looking good. That's one nice and red. I mean, this is July now, so like next month, they'll be ready. Maybe at the end of this one, like, look, it's nearly there, that one. Oh, lovely, lovely. Nice big old tree. Woo! That's just that part, look, goes all back here. Got a nice big cherry tree here, actually. Blessed to have it. Oh, see round here, still a bit of time to go yet. Nice crow. Hello, crow. So yeah, we've got like a few more weeks. I'll give you another update. We'll finish out on this bit here. Look at them. Lovely, nice amount there. Look, hanging off of there. Wow, big old bunch on that bit there. Look. Lovely, lovely. Alright. Thanks for watching, peeps. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Peace.